wanna play friends.
Why would I want to catch you? I don't even... whatever.
Don't say that bad word.
Come over here and say it to my face. Yeah. Is that all you can do?
Well,
you know what? Yeah. This is Destiny. She has a, you know...
Okay, another weirdest thing.
This is what happens when you have two cousins.
Because you have something that you can do.
What?
Don't listen to her.
Don't listen to her.
I'm not even a her. I'm a him.
Don't even listen to him.
Finally, you got it right.